Okay, so once you are logged in, you will be welcomed to this very platform, which is the first one at the top here, the paraphraser. You can choose the language in which you want to paraphrase. Usually it's English and German, but we can go with English. And the modes, you can see the range of modes from here across, from standard to fluency down to shorten. You can select and change the mode accordingly. Now, all you need is to paraphrase the text, simply copy and paste the text from anywhere. So assuming I have this text and I need to paraphrase it, you can see the word count is just 43. All I need is just to press paraphrase and it's going to paraphrase it just like so. So you can see very fast it has paraphrased. And one thing you should do, take a look at the paraphrasing. This is the original one. Know your stuff. Never just click from PowerPoint slide to PowerPoint slide and only just read what's there. So look at the paraphrased one. Be knowledgeable, okay? Know your stuff. Never simply read what's on the slide in a PowerPoint presentation by clicking from slide to slide. And that is a very fantastic paraphrasing. You can see the paraphrased material is colored, okay, which means there's an equivalent synonym. Once you click on it, you can see an equivalent synonym that you can replace easily with what is in existence. So become knowledgeable could be become educated, okay? You can see become educated, or you can still click become informed or become smart, depending on the context you're working on, okay? So never simply read what's on a slide. So you can click on read, and you can see just read, or simply just read, or just review, something like that. You can click and replace any kind of phrase or any kind of word or any connecting word that you find very easily, okay? So this is how to basically use it. You can rephrase also. If you select any phrase, you can decide to rephrase. You can see you can rephrase, or you can undo a given task, okay? And you can copy a sentence, okay? You can copy a sentence. You can report a sentence if you are not certain with the paraphrasing. And you can copy directly and paste it somewhere, or you can come down here and read it aloud. You can also check out the statistics, and you can download this on its own directly to your PC, or you can copy the paraphrased version and take it to wherever you have. For example, in your Word document, you can just easily bring it here and just paste it, and you have your paraphrased document very easily accessible. Or you can even work on Google Docs. You can copy and paste. So these are, and you can generate multiple of responses, multiple paraphrasing. You can navigate across the sentences by just coming over here. You can see this is the first sentence. You can move to the second sentence. You can move to the third sentence, and you can see the equivalent on this axis, okay? From the left to the right, you can see the equivalent and the paraphrased version. At any given point, if you want to delete a given paraphrasing, you can come over here and delete the text very easily and rephrase it if you want. And if you want to regenerate also, you can still regenerate, and it's going to give you a different paraphrase. Okay, you can see it has regenerated everything. So it's very cool to use the paraphraser to paraphrase any document or any wording of your choice. Let's try one more time, one more text, and then we'll move forward. So you could delete everything. And another way you can do it is you can upload a document. If you have a document that contains text that you want to paraphrase, you can come down here and click on upload document, and you can navigate to wherever you have it within your system. For example, in my own case, I have it saved in this tutorial Quillbot text one. I can just select it and click on open. It's a Word document, and you can see it picked in only the text portion of it. And once I click, one click is going to paraphrase it for me very nicely and very fast. You can see in 5 sentences and 97 words, you can move from sentence to sentence, okay? Sentence to sentence very nicely. And you can easily reread or rephrase if you want, but the paraphrasing is fantastically done. So you just have to find an application to it, and you can go ahead and keep paraphrasing. I think that does it for this tutorial on how to paraphrase a given text in Quillbot very, very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.